Here's the news of the day. HAL has selected SAFHAL Helicopter Engines, a joint venture between HAL and Safran, to develop and produce a new generation high-power engine named Aravalli, boosting the capabilities of future Indian helicopters. LCI is supporting Torres Strait Islander healthcare by providing 2 new Leonardo AW139 helicopters to Babcock Australasia, enhancing emergency medical services and ensuring critical care access for remote communities. LifeFlight has been named Australia's Emergency Medical System Business of the Year by the Australian Aviation Awards, recognizing their outstanding contributions to providing critical care and emergency medical services across the country. In a recent episode of the eVTOL Insights podcast, Pierre Bach, CEO of Neural Concept, discusses how leveraging AI and deep learning is revolutionizing product development, enabling faster aerospace and AAM product development. Sapphire Renewables has broken ground on its new Kansas pilot plant to transform corn stover into sustainable aviation fuel, marking a significant step forward in producing eco-friendly jet fuel. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.